Everyone, welcome back to another Google Search Console tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your website's SEO using Google Search Console. This free tool from Google helps you identify SEO opportunities, fix technical issues, and increase your visibility in Google Search. First, log into your Google Search Console account and select your website. Start by opening the Performance Report. Here you can see your total clicks, impressions, average CTR, and average position. These metrics help you understand how your website is performing in Google Search. Next, scroll down to the Queries section. This report shows the keywords people use to find your website. Look for keywords with high impressions but a low click-through rate. You can improve these pages by writing more attractive titles and meta descriptions that encourage users to click. Now, switch to the Pages tab to identify your top-performing pages. Update older content with fresh information, improve headings, add relevant keywords naturally, and include helpful images or videos to make your content more valuable. After that, open the Pages report under the Indexing section. Check if any important pages are not indexed and fix issues such as noindex tags, crawl errors, duplicate content, or blocked URLs. Make sure your XML sitemap is up to date and submitted to Google Search Console. Next, review the Core Web Vitals report. Improve your website's loading speed by compressing images, reducing unnecessary JavaScript, enabling browser caching, and choosing reliable hosting. A faster website creates a better user experience and supports your SEO efforts. Don't forget to check the links report. Build a strong internal linking structure so Google can easily understand your website. Also, focus on earning high-quality backlinks from trusted websites instead of using spammy link-building techniques. Finally, monitor your SEO performance.